Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Ravi Naik ready to sacrifice his ticket if it is a roadblock for Congress-NCP alliance. Ravi says alliance with NCP needed to ensure victory. Constant drop in iron ore prices in China worries e-auctioning bidders. Successful bidders yet to lift the auction ore. Government treasury may see red in future. Midnight robberies are back. Robbers break in at Abdul Karim Khan's house in Thivi and decamp with 2 lakh rupees. 5 temples in Mahe buggled. AAP launches agitation against casinos, stages Dharna at Ferry Point, slams government of double standards on casino issues. AAP not to accept donations from casinos. And Dempo Cricket Club beat Russia by 10 wickets in GPL T20, completes target of 110 runs in just 10 overs. Ravi Teja given man of the match honour. Now news in detail. Delay in official announcement of candidates by Congress has brought frustration to the probables. Ravi Naik has said that if his candidature is proving an obstacle for Congress-NCP alliance, then he is ready to sacrifice his candidature. Ravi Naik dropped the bombshell on Saturday afternoon. On the other side, deliberations and discussions are still on at centre to decide on Congress-NCP coalition. Fate of Sardin's candidature is still uncertain.
Ravi Naik is in the mood to back out from Lok Sabha poll as Congress has been delaying official announcement of North and South Goa candidates and its decision on alliance with the NCP.
NCP and Congress alliance हे जावपाक जाय वयल्या लेवलाचेर अजून टॉक जावना जर कितें तरी आडखळ येता सबय एक नॉर्था सिटा लागून उरता अलायन्स तुटची न्हू ती तेंचे कडेन बरो कॅन्डिडेट आहा तो तेणी दवरचो म्हणजे हायकमांड डिसायड करचें आमचे शरद पवार तेणी काँग्रेसीन डिसायड करचें आनी ते डिसिशन घेता ताका म्हाजें मान्यता आसा म्हणजे आय एम रेडी फॉर दॅट एक कॉम्प्रोमायज करपाक.
High commands of both Congress and NCP were in discussions over candidature and alliance till late on Saturday night. Congress claimed that official announcement of candidates might be on Sunday. Sadina's candidature is uncertain while Ravi Naik has offered to step aside. Jitendra Deshprabhu is ready to contest from North if Ravi backs out, while Reginald's name has been surfacing as the probable for South Goa. Sources claim that Ravi Naik is upset with the delay in announcing the candidate. Meanwhile, Congress has alleged that CM Parrikar has violated code of conduct by posting a declaration of schemes on his Facebook.
Honorable Chief Minister has violated the code of conduct. Last night, on his Facebook profile, there has been an announcement made. As you read it, it states that Goa investment policy will be notified by this month end. The policy targets to create 50,000 jobs and facilitate rupees 25,000 crore of new investment into the state. Same was declared in the budget also. But at that time, he had given the reason by saying he has the immunity of the assembly.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Frari for Prudent.
Continuous drop in demand for iron ore from China has affected the e-auctioning process of the extracted ore in the state. According to sources, iron ore prices in China market has crashed down up to $105 per ton. If this trend continues in similar fashion, then e-auctioning by the Mines Department will hit a difficult path. 1 month is about to get over after first e-auctioning and the successful bidders are yet to pick up the auction ore.
Nearly 1 month is over after the first e-auctioning of extracted ore. Till now, no efforts have been made by any of the successful bidders to lift or export the auctioned ore. Due to low demand in China for iron ore, the prices have drastically come down.
त्या टायमार जो प्राइस आशिल्लो तो आयज ना. चायनाची इकॉनॉमी स्लो डावन जाली कारणान चायनाक बॉन्डाचे डिफॉल्ट बी जाले कारणान चायनाची मार्केट मोव पडली ताका लागून आयर्न ओरचे प्राइस कमी जाले.
Iron ore prices has come down up to $105 per ton. Due to financial crisis, steel export of China has decreased, which has resulted in drop in prices of steel in China. According to experts, iron ore prices can decrease up to $100. Similarly, Chinese companies are trying to buy the ore at lower rate, which may put bidders into more trouble.
चायना जेन्ना आता वयर प्रायस घेवन इतले मरे म्हयनोभर ते घेवचे ना आनी मागीर ते घेतले जेन्ना प्रायस कमी जाता पळय तेन्ना ते प्रायसार कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट करतले आनी 2-3 महिने लिफ्ट करतले ते स्पॉट प्रायसाक देंवयत सकयल वयतले मरे $70 पर्यंत $75 पर्यंत हाडटले तेन्ना ते मागीर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सायन करतले मायन ओनर्स कडेन म्हाका पळय कितें आसा जे कोणाचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आशिल्ले पळय हो माल जेन्ना इंटरनॅशनल वॉटर्सान येता तांचेर ते अरेस्ट करून घे कित्याक तो माल तांच्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टान आशिल्लो.
Secondly, jetty rent by the Momugoa Port Trust and other jetties has increased hassles of the bidders. Harish Melwani opined that government has not done anything to resolve the jetty rent issue.
दुसरो मनीस जेन्ना तो ओर परचेस करता पळय आनी तो एक्सपोर्ट करता ताका फोर्स मेजराची प्रोटेक्शन मेळना तो ताजे कडच्यान चार्ज मागतालो आतां ताका ऑल्टरनेटीव असो आसा की स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटान कोर्टाची फॅसिलिटी कंप्लीट रेक्विजिशन करची इन ऑर्डर टू सॅटिस्फाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर.
According to the sources, chances of e-auctioning of third slot of iron ore are bleak. Due to low grade, Goan iron ore cannot be consumed by local steel industries and prices of the iron ore in Chinese market can keep the bidders away from participating in the e-auction. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Robbers strike again, and this time at a residence in Thivi and 5 temples in Mahe. Altogether, robbers have stolen booty worth 3 lakh rupees in these robberies. Abdul Khan's house was robbed at Thivi on Friday night. Around 2 lakh rupees worth valuables and cash was looted. In the Mayan temple robberies, theft worth 1 lakh rupees is reported.
Abdul Karim Khan's bungalow in Faz colony at Thivi was robbed on Friday midnight. Nobody from Khan's family was present in the house when the theft happened. Thieves decamped with gold and cash worth 2 lakh rupees. This is the second robbery reported within 2 weeks in Faz colony.
मी घरात नसले काल एका गेल्ले मडगांवां गेल्ले ते लग्नाक सकाळी 8 पावले आमी हांगा पयलीं जाल्यार दोनूय दार मोडून उक्ते केल्ले आसले आनी कबाट बी ओपन करून दवरलेले सगळे सासपून बी
1 लाख रुपया भांगराचे जाले आनी हे आसले कॅश ते डायमंड कितके आसा ते हांव सांगूंक शकना.
Temple robberies have also made a comeback. This time at Mahe, around 5 temples were robbed on Friday midnight. They are Hanuman Devasthan at Poira, Brahman Devasthan at Poira, Rampurush Temple at Bhaukai, Khetoba Temple at Wangini, Ravarnath Temple at Wangini. Thieves affected entry in these temples and robbed donation boxes. Around 1 lakh rupees have been robbed. All these temples are situated very close to railway line. Similar temple burglaries were reported during last year in September.
पुलिसांनी आपले लक्ष जे आहा पळय रात्रीची जे पेट्रोलिंग करता तेंच्यांनी तशें आपले लक्ष शहरांचेर दवरलेलें आसा आनी हेजो फायदो चोरान घेतलो आनी त्याच गांवांनी वचून चोरी करता आनी पुलिसांनी तेंची जी रात्रीची गस्त आहा ती वाडोवची.
हेज्या पयलीं चोरी जाल्ली म्हणजे सप्टेंबर म्हयन्यान चोरी जाल्ली.
Shamsundar Fatte from Mapsa and Uday Parab from Bicholi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.